Tool and material. Tool, spoon glass. Material, hot water, tea, sugar. The first, put enough sugar into the glass. The second, take the tea and put it in glass. The third, pour enough hot water into the glass. Finally, dip the tea into the water and stir the sugar until it dissolves. Then remove the tea bag. Hot tea is ready to be served.